To start PowerPoint, click on Search icon, type PowerPoint, click on Open for PowerPoint app, click on Blank Presentation. You are ready to work with PowerPoint. Let's also check PowerPoint capabilities under Home, as it's quite easy to understand. We can see by default we have a slide where we can add title of our presentation and also subtitle. Let's add a title in the title selection, and in subtitle section if you want to type something you can. If we click on New Slide, a new slide is added next to the active slide. If we click on Layout, it's showing several options. For the slide layout, choose one and just click to add for your slide. Let's change layout for both slides. If you want to type something here you can, or you can see some faded icons are available to add different objects. If we take our cursor over the faded icons, we can see these are for adding table, chart, smart art, models, pictures, videos, etc. Let's click on Pictures. Open the folder where you have the picture saved. Double-click on the picture. It's added in our slide. In this slide, let me type something here. Select all, resize the fonts, and delete next section as I don't want it, so select the next section. Place the cursor in a way where you can see 4 arrows with your cursor. Now click and press delete. If I click on Reset, it will reset the formatting of the slide, which I don't want. Let's undo. Clicking on Section let us add section, remove added section, or rename, etc. with few clicks. The font section, paragraph section, this part of drawing section and editing section are similar to the one we had in Ms. Word, so you may check that video added in the description box. If you click on Text Direction, it shows several options for the direction of the text and slide. Choose and click to add that. Clicking on Align Text gives options for text alignment. Let's choose and click on Middle. Click on Quick Styles, choose and click on a theme style for the active part of your slide. Click on Shape Fill, choose and click on the color to be filled in the active section. Click on Shape Outline. Choose and click on the color to be outlined with the active section. Also, to get all this option, make sure the section is selected. Click on Shape Effect, choose an option for Shape Effect, choose and click on a style for the same.